All right, today's workout is our last workout in the Community Cup. This workout has a lot of moving parts for all the divisions. So hold on to your hats because we're going to go for a wild ride. Now, the format of the workout is going to be the same for every division. There are 3 2-minute work intervals with 1 minute of rest. Once you finish those 3 2-minute work intervals, the last interval that you're going to get is going to be a 3-minute interval, okay? So basically it'll be 2 minutes on, 1 minute off, 2 minutes on, 1 minute off, 2 minutes on, 1 minute off, 3 minutes on, and then you're done, okay? So the first 2 intervals, you'll be doing a triplet of sorts, all right? For the pro and advanced group, you're doing 15 toes to bar, 15 overhead squats, and the time remaining in that 2 minutes, you are going to do a max calorie row. Now, if you're intermediate, you're doing 10 toes to bar, 10 overhead squats, and a max calorie row, okay? Now, for the novice, you have 10 hanging knee raises, 10 overhead squats, and a max calorie row. And then finally, the rookie, you have 10 sit-ups, 10 overhead squats, and a max calorie row. Okay, so there's a lot of things there that's going to be happening. The overhead squat is going to be a range from the pro doing 115-75, and then the weights are going to go down. The rookie is going to do 45 and 35. If we need to scale further and you're not signed up for the Community Cup, you can go ahead and adjust a little bit, but talk to your coach, okay? Now, that's going to be the first 2 rounds. We're going to get into round number 3 and 4, and the movements change, okay? So 3 and 4, remember round 3 is a 2-minute interval and round 4 is a 3-minute interval. So in these rounds, you're going to go ahead and complete a, a calorie row, overhead squat, and then with the time remaining, you're going to get up on the pull-up bar and complete some sort of movement. So let's take a look at the pro division. And let's go with pro first. Sorry. 15 calorie row, 15 overhead squats, and with the time remaining, max bar muscle ups. Advanced division, 15 calorie row, 15 overhead squats, and then you have max chest to bars with the time remaining. Intermediate, 10 calorie row, 10 overhead squats, max chin over bar pull-ups. Novice, you have 10 calorie row, 10 overhead squats, and then max pull-ups. The bar on the overhead squat is what's going to change from novice to intermediate. All right. And then finally, the rookie, you have a 10 calorie row, 10 overhead squats, and then you're going to do a max ring row. All right. And again, the overhead squat weight for both rounds 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 are going to be the same. It ranges from that 115-75 to 45-35. All right. Now, because we are doing the Community Cup, we are going to put ourselves in one category. We are not going to scale or deviate unless your coach, says it's okay. All right. That's it. All right. Choose that category. If you think it's easy, go faster. Get a lot more reps. Remember, this is a 2-minute interval. That's not going to be a lot of time for many of you, okay? So just keep that in mind. And again, if it's a little on the lighter side or a little bit easy, make it harder by increasing your intensity, all right? This workout is going to be fun, but getting to that fun part is going to be challenging because there are so many moving parts. Hang with us as we go through it in class, and then get after it.